At crisis level, that's how a councillor in Manchester described the need for water in his division. Omar Robinson relayed the concerns of residents in Alligator Pond at the monthly municipal corporation meeting as he urged the mayor to appeal to the local government ministry to help truck water to affected areas.
Each day the cries are getting louder, and I cannot just go to them and tell them we have written to them. We don't know how quickly they will respond. What else can we do as a council to get to the minister for some quick actions to be taken?
Basic school calls us, sometimes health center calls us, sometimes the police station calls us, primary schools calls us, high school calls us, and it's hard to say no, but when we say no, it means therefore we don't have any money. Because we have to pay for the water from NWC, we have to pay the persons that are delivering the water, and it is costly.
Now, the mayor says the corporation will again write to the local government ministry to expedite the assistance.